चलो
The name of
जाओ
Allah, who is most gracious
चल रही
and merciful.
पकड़ के रखूं कि आगे जाऊं?
आगे
Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I feel proud to represent my school, getting a chance by delivering the speech, having an important topic. The future depends on what you do today. Respected sir, the given topic, future depends on what you do today, is a famous saying of Mahatma Gandhi. He elaborates that the human being is the most important part of the society. Society is structured with definite responsibilities and duties, whether we think them human or natural duties given from man or God for the sake of the future. Specific roles and duties are assigned to men and women, although each have equal standing in the light of gender equity. The duties of man are performed by men for the general good of society in which he is living today. Dear friends, if we want to get success in future, we must have to do good in this world where we live. We need a real man. I believe that the real man comes from the word of the Creator, Allah of the man himself, and was put into practice by a man who is without doubt the epitome of the real man, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear fellows, to get a success in a society, a real man must be focused man. Alluding to the trait above, a real man recognizes that what is important and what is rubbish that is not worth his time. A real man does not lose himself in the pretty bells and whistles of life that do not bring him any real benefit. When a real man sees things that are destruction, he keeps moving. He knows that why he is here on this earth, that he is there only for a short time. Respected sir, for the sake of the secure future, a real man must be a gentleman, but firm in the belief and activity. He knows that he is a man with an intellect, not an animal. He speaks softly and does not keep to holler, yet at the top of his voice to be heard or get his point across. He knows the importance of his friends working with him. He knows the importance of his family with whom he is living. He knows the importance of his colleagues with whom he serves gently. Respected sir, at last, I would like to end my speech that future depends on what we do today. If a real figure of the society is a real man. A real man does not backbite for the sake of the good future. A real man keeps his promises for the sake of the good future. A real man respects all the women for the sake of the good future. A real man keeps his own house for the sake of the good future. A real man handles his own money for the sake of the good future. And a real man knows that he is being tested for the sake of the good future. Thank you.